Double spirals. This is a sacred symbol of the Celtic goddess Epona. She is a horse goddess of earth. Epona was invoked during the equinoxes, autumn and vernal, to bring about smooth passage of the seasons. These two seasons can be unsettling as they unfold upon the earth. As an overseer of the two equinoxes, Epona releases her power during these times to help ensure easy transition. Aside from being a notable Celtic goddess symbol, the double spiral also holds a profound personal meaning for mortals. Each end of the spiral expresses a polarity. For example, left versus right, night versus day, death versus life, moon versus sun, good versus evil, etc. The reality of polarity is perhaps one of the most crucial ideas in symbolic conveyance. Indeed, the entire universe is elegantly perched on polar or opposite energies. There cannot be a push without a pull. There cannot be nighttime without daytime. Therefore, this double spiral is a perfect symbol that portrays the balance between opposite influences. This month's mandala encourages us to instill within us a sense of cooperative polarity, embracing our opposing energies both internally and externally. See it as a beautiful dance, back and forth, with one supporting and sparking the other, and vice versa. When we restore and experience balance within ourselves, that balanced energy extends outward. It becomes easier to notice when we start to go out of balance. And with this heightened awareness, we know exactly what we need to do next to remain in a harmonious and balanced state.